Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Social media accounts must track total posts across all instances. We need a specific Java declaration to make this count work perfectly and fast. The variable count must store the total number of posts made by all objects combined. This means we need the static keyword so the variable belongs to the class itself. It also must be an integer that can change over time as new posts are created. If we use an instance variable instead, every account would just reset its own count. The declaration cannot use final because the value must increment. Therefore, the private static int in option C is our only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust the information, and check your steps carefully.